On a cluster of islands off South America, a young naturalist named Charles Darwin noticed something small and strange. The finches weren't quite the same from one island to the next. On one, stout beaks built for cracking hard seeds. On another, slender beaks for teasing insects from bark. The same little bird, quietly reshaped, and the reason behind it goes further than you'd think. Start with what anyone can see. Watching a place long enough, living things change. No two individuals are ever exactly alike. Among those finches, some hatched with slightly deeper beaks, some with thinner ones. Ordinary variation, the kind you'd shrug at. But suppose a drought settles in, and the only food left is big, tough seeds. Now that little difference matters enormously. The deep-beaked birds can crack them open, the thin-beaked ones go hungry. So the deep-beaked birds are the ones that live to breed, and the next generation carries more deep beaks than the last. The whole population has shifted, without any single bird ever changing its own beak. That's the surface of it. But what is actually happening underneath, generation after generation? Two ingredients and only two. First, variation. Offspring differ, and much of that difference is passed down. Second, selection. Whatever helps an individual survive and reproduce in its world gets carried into the next round more often. That is the entire engine. The traits that leave more offspring grow more common. The traits that leave fewer fade away. Nobody is choosing, nothing is aiming for anything. It's just bookkeeping, tallied over generations. And you can watch it happen in days. Wash a colony of bacteria with an antibiotic, and a rare few, purely by chance, already carry a resistance to it. Those survive, they multiply, and soon the whole colony shrugs the drug off. Evolution, timed with a stopwatch. Now push that same idea back, not over generations, but over an almost unimaginable stretch of time, and something remarkable falls out of it. If populations keep splitting and drifting apart, each shaped by its own corner of the world, run the clock long enough and they stop being the same kind of creature at all. Every species alive is a twig on one branching tree, and trace the branches downward and they meet. This is descent with modification, all of life sharing common ancestors. And we can check it. Fossils lie stacked in order, older and stranger the deeper we dig. The DNA of every living thing is written in the same four-letter code, and the more of that code two species share, the more recently their branches parted. Given deep time, billions of years of it, small changes, quietly added up, become the entire living world. From one finch's beak, nudged by a single dry season, to the whole tree of life fanning out across billions of years, it is one quiet process, running everywhere, all the time, inherited difference, sifted by survival. Life, patiently writing itself.